Hey, this is Charlie Thompson, and I wanted to go over pretty quickly the geographic grid and what the differences are between the different lines. So here we've got Google Earth. This is just the default view. So we've got lines of latitude going from the equator. Here's 10 north, 20 north, the Tropic of Cancer, 30 north, 10 south, 20 south. And then we have lines of latitude, 10 west, 20 west, 30 west, 40 west, 50, 60 west, 10 east, 20 east. So right now we're looking at this and it's a 10-degree grid. The number of degrees between any two lines, between this line at the equator, and 10 degrees north, that's 10 degrees north. From the prime meridian to 10 west, that's 10 degrees. And as you zoom in, it will dynamically show you finer and finer and finer gradations. So we're going to go from a 10-degree grid, and as I zoom in, now we've got a 5-degree grid. So going from the equator to 5 north, from the prime meridian to 5 west. As we keep zooming in, now we've got a 1-degree grid. So here's 0, 0, and this is 1 degree west, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees west. And now we have a 1-degree grid. So each of these are 1 square degree, 1 degree square, 1 degree of latitude, 1 degree of longitude. As we keep scrolling in, you'll see that it goes from a 1-degree grid. Now we have a half-degree grid, half degree. We keep zooming in. We have a 1/10 of a degree now. So we keep zooming in, it's still a 1/10 of a degree. 0.05 degrees, 0.05 degrees as we keep zooming in. Now we have a 100th of a degree. As we keep zooming in, it'll get even finer. And now we have 5 thousandths of a degree. And if we keep zooming in, it'll get even finer. Although I think that might be about as fun as it gets. So that's it. And all you got to do to get to a higher resolution grid is zoom in, going from the 10-degree grid to a 5-degree grid to a 1-degree grid to a half-degree grid to a 1/10 of a degree to 5 100ths of a degree, and then 100ths of a degree, and then finally 5 thousandths of a degree. Not bad. All right, that's it. Good luck.